Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here. Under the Carolina Sky did a knife giveaway, and somebody owes him a commission because I didn't win, so I had to go buy one. That's right, I got inspired. He gave away one of these hikers, and I was like, man, that thing is cool. It'd be a little bit smaller, a little bit less weight, and be a little bit closer to just what I need for the trail versus the Huntsman that I've been taking on the trail with me here lately. But you know what? I didn't just buy the hiker. I went on eBay and we did some sniping. And I bought a lot. So I've got a Tourist. I've got a Recruit. That's right. I sniped this guy out. I bought all three knives for $26. They're used. They're supposed to be in good condition. Now that's what the hiker runs, is $26. And I got an $18 Recruit and a $22 Taurus to go with it. And I'm excited, so I want to open my package. The Tinker, this is my daily carry. I love this little knife. This thing is awesome. It's small and doesn't take up a lot of space in my pocket. It's lightweight and it's only got stuff on it that I use. It's not weighted down with a bunch of extra mess that I don't use. Now, I thought this would be nice, the Huntsman, when I get out there hiking and having a few extra tools, but it's a little big and bulky to me. Well, when I saw that hiker, that's like in between my Tinker and my Huntsman. So I had to get one. And then I saw an auction with 2 bonus knives. So I had to go in sniper mode. Let's open them up and see what I got. Man, I'm so excited. Let's see here. Wow, he did a really nice job packaging them. Look at that. Sent it in a bubble wrap mailer and bubble wrapped each knife. And I think, let's see here. We're going to save these. We'll do an individual video on each one. But let's take a look at what I wanted. I think that's this one. Now all these knives were used, but it looked like they were all in pretty nice condition. Wow. Look how nice those scales are on it. It doesn't hardly even have any pocket wear. A little bit of pocket wear on that side. And just so you know, if you buy these used, these toothpicks are replaceable. I've got a pack of them. There they are. I've got a pack of the toothpicks. You can buy these packs. Now, Victorinox makes these knives in 2 different sizes, so you need to buy the appropriate size toothpick for the appropriate size knife. But they come in a pack of, I'm not sure how many. I think it was 5 or 6. And let's see here. Yep, see, that's going to be the appropriate size, so I'm going to replace this toothpick with a new one. There's our Phillips head, our awl, our can opener, and small screwdriver, our wire stripper, bottle opener, and larger flathead screwdriver, the small blade. Let's take a look at the blade condition on this. The large blade, and the saw blade. And that's what I wanted. This right here, if you don't carry like a whole saw and wood processing kit with you, if you're just backpacking and want to keep it light, well, having that saw blade opens up a lot of options for you. Being able to make tent stakes and cut saplings for different bushcraft stuff if you need to from a survival standpoint. It also has the tweezers and the toothpick that we already talked about. So there we go. There's my new Swiss Army knife, my Victorinox. It's my new hiker. I'm excited to have it. Man, I can't. I'm so stoked to have this guy. This is in comparison to my Tinker. You know, this way it's this. Yeah, it's the same size this way. It is one section wider to have that saw. Because aside from the saw, it's the same as my Tinker. Now the hiker is item number 1.4613 from Victorinox. It has a height of 0.6 inches and is 3.6 inches in length. It weighs in at 2.7 ounces. It has the large blade, the small blade, the can opener, the 3mm screwdriver, bottle opener, 6mm screwdriver, wire stripper, reamer, punch, and sewing awl, the Phillips screwdriver, the wood saw, toothpick, tweezers, and the key ring, just as I just showed you. So that's sweet. I'm stoked to have that. This is fixing to go into my little hiker box, so I'll be able to swap out my Tinker and take this one with me when I go hiking so I can have the saw. Well, thank you, Mike, from Under the Carolina Sky. Man, you opened my eyes to a really awesome little knife. I'm excited to go get it. But somebody owes you a commission. Let's give it a quick blade check and see what the blade's like, see what kind of use this thing's had. Look at there. You can't beat that. Daggone it. Somebody towed it a little bit, but they didn't hardly use this guy. It's still razor sharp. Awesome. Another eBay sniping victory. Let's see what kind of edge I got on my Tinker right now. I see some gummy stuff. I cut something with glue on it open. Yeah, I keep it pretty sharp. Dull knife will hurt you. Well, look here. We'll see y'all on the trail.